Welcome to Redline Review.
VW has not released a 2026 Prevost motorhome. Volkswagen, a campervan manufacturer, and Canadian luxury motorcoach shell producer Prevost have not collaborated. These firms sell campers and RVs. VW 2026 camper, ID California Volkswagen's first electric campervan, the 2026 ID. California will revolutionize camping. Eco-friendly ID buzz. Campervans are stylish. Main features: EV powertrain. A 111 kilowatt-hour battery pack powers the rear-mounted engine with 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, and 229 pound-feet, 310 newton-meters. A unique design: double-bed hydraulic pop-up roof, a gas stove, sink, and ample storage are in the modern kitchenette with adaptable seating. Vegan leather, recyclable materials, 10-inch digital instrument cluster, 12-inch infotainment touchscreen. Better outdoor experience, retractable side awning for shaded dining or resting. Electric powertrains without emissions are good. Long journeys, long drives. Large versatile interior, high-tech entertainment. Flexible and comfortable for short and long-term camping. Dislikes expensive tech. In remote areas, charging infrastructure may be limited. Heavy batteries can slow performance. Limited off-roading. Charging takes longer than petrol refills. Electric motor power, 201 horsepower, 229 pound-feet. RWD, AWD optional. Range 250 to 300 miles per charge. 111 kilowatt-hour battery. Fast DC charging, 30 to 40 minutes. Safety, lane assist, emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, modular seating, dining, sleeping. Outside LED lighting, aerodynamic body, modern styling. Maximum 4 people, limited off-road capability compared to classic camper vans. Big touchscreen, digital cockpit, smartphone integration, independent rear dual-zone climate control. Gas stove, sink, fridge, storage. Tows 2,000 to 2,500 pounds. Previous RVs, Canada-based Prevost makes tourism coaches and luxury RV bus shells and custom adaptations. Volvo Buses subsidiary. Premium Prevost RVs often have custom modifications. Considerations: Prevost coaches need expensive, rare parts to maintain. Weather causes rust and corrosion. Low-mileage autos dry out seals. Conclusion: VW has no 2026 Prevost motorhome. Therefore, both companies sell distinct campervans and motorhomes. Volkswagen's ID. California campervans are modern, eco-friendly, and feature-packed for sustainable travel. Prevost premium motorcoach shells offer a comfortable, personalized motorhome experience.